Alright, so I'm up here today. I made a repair on this yesterday and charged it back up, but I was short like a pound, so I came out here today. I'm going to just top this thing off for a friend of mine. It's his wife's hair salon. They just bought it, and when they purchased it, they didn't check the air conditioner. Anyway, there's a leak. They came up here and quoted them that they're going to, have to replace it. I got it going for them, but anyway, what I'm using is this Rs44b or R-453a. Okay, I use this instead of R-22. It's cheaper. It's just as effective. You don't have to change out POE oil, nothing like that. You can drop it right in. Just pull a nice deep vacuum and drop it in. You're gonna have no issues. The pressure and temperature relationship is slightly different, but I've been using this about 4 years, and man, this stuff is like, it's great. So if you come over here and you hit R-22, it's going to be showing my superheats at 7.8, right? Well, my VSAT is at 28.8. I'm sorry, my VSAT's at 28.8, superheat 7.9, and subcooling 19. Come over to 453A. My VSAT or vapor saturation is 36. Subcooling is 14.5. And notice my suction pressure. With R-22, that would definitely be freezing, right? So that's what when you charge it up, you got to just, pay attention to make sure you're going off of 453 and not R-22. They're similar, but not quite the same. This stuff works just as good as R-22. Like I said, you'll see a couple of degrees here and there in difference, but you're trying to save money doing a repair on a system that's really old for somebody. I do recommend using this stuff. You can get this at Ari Michael, or I don't know what other places sell it. I just pick it up at Ari Michael. Go over there, and about $600 a jug, $500-600 a jug, I think, something like that. So, but it's substantially cheaper than R-22. All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna charge this thing up, let it run for a little while. Again, make sure when you guys put this in, you put it in as a liquid, because it will fractionate and change state. If you try to put it in as a vapor, or if you open this thing up with the valve open to the atmosphere with the tank upright, it'll fractionate and change state. So you want to keep it in, charging it as a liquid, just like 410A. Same thing. All right. So I got this thing where I want it now. I'm gonna get out of here. And I mean, not many people are even making repairs anyway. When it comes to R-22, a lot of people aren't even making repairs. They're just replacing. But in some cases, when you can help somebody out and you can't make a repair, this is a alternative. And I recommend it for you and for your customers. So you don't have to worry about oil either. Just make sure you pull a deep vacuum. You don't have to worry about POE oil or none of that. And like I said, works for me. And let me know what you guys use. Go.
Okay.
Nice and cool for the summer.
Thank you so much.
Tell Cody I said hello. I look forward to seeing him soon.
Well, thank you very much.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you. It was great service.
And this is
Blushing Blonde.
all right.
Blushing
All right.
Blonde.
So you guys want to get what do you do here exactly? Everything or?
We do everything: hair, blonding, extensions, color,
Okay.
everything.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, you're good to go.
Okay. Have a
Yep.
good